Identify the role of PD in the reaction. The solid metal palladium, PD, is a reactant catalyst pairing where palladium acts as a heterogeneous catalyst for this gas phase process. Recall the definition and function of a catalyst. By definition, a catalyst increases the rate of a chemical reaction without being consumed by providing an alternative reaction pathway mechanism that possesses a lower activation energy, EA, than the uncatalyzed pathway. Analyze the microscopic mechanism of heterogeneous metal catalysts. Transition metals like palladium have active surface sites that can bind reactant molecules through a process called adsorption. When a reactant gas molecule, such as N2O or CO, binds to the surface of PD, the covalent bonds within the reactant molecule are stretched and weakened. This chemical interaction significantly lowers the energy barrier required to break those bonds and form the transition state, allowing the reaction to proceed much faster. Conclude. The binding of reactant molecules onto the surface of the solid palladium introduces an alternative pathway with a lower activation energy, explaining the significant increase in the reaction rate. This directly confirms that option C is the correct answer. The correct answer is option C. One of the reactants binds on the surface of PD, which introduces an alternative reaction pathway with a lower activation energy.